Hello friends, good evening. Actually, this video I am making to understand what exactly is going on in the Nifty, because every day we see the charts on a daily basis or at the most on the weekly basis, but we are not getting the exact view what is happening on a very uh, broader way or a long-term basis, which is on the monthly side. So I believe if you somebody want to make a view in the market about the trend, then the best thing is they need to view the chart on the monthly basis. So I personally wanted to see what exactly is happening in the market right now, because there is so much of uncertainty going on around. So not getting the clear direction what exactly is happening in the market, where we are in which phase we are, whether we are in distribution, accumulation. So nothing was coming as a clarity. So that's the reason personally I wanted to have myself a clear view. So I tried to do one small analysis on the Nifty, and then try to interpret the data points for making the long-term view. So I have taken the data points from 1990 when the Nifty started giving the charts. So if you see here in 1990 July when the Nifty started, so that time it's showing us started with low point, which is I have taken from say example 280 or 290 points, and then from there every top and every bottom I started calculating the data points manually and collected the data points and try to come out with some conclusion and understand what's going on exactly in the market. So here is the data which I have collected from that chart in a number form. So if you see here, July 1990. So here is the market. Say assume the Nifty started with the point 277, and then it made the first stop in March 1992. So which is almost like 1.7 months, 1 year, 7 months. And Nifty rallied almost like 984 points. So it gave a return of almost 355 points return it gave. So it was a very massive rally in this 1 year and 7 months market has seen. Then in the month of April, the fall started and it went almost a year. And you see that market became almost half. So from 1261 points to market bottomed out at 615 points, which is like 52% down from the top, which is like almost 1 year. Yeah, 1 year, 1 month approximately that downfall was. And then March 1993, the market reversed from there, and then the bull run was almost like 1.5 year. And if you see, the market has almost gave a breakout of last high, which was 1261 point. So from the bottom, the market has almost given a gains of 122%. So it is just like given the breakout of the last all-time high. And then actually the bad phase came in the market. I really don't know what is the trigger point or what were the events in 94 when the market started falling off. So October 1994 the market started falling off, and that fall was uh, the fall was at certain time, but after that almost 2.5 years, 3 years the market was in the range. It was in the consolidation. It really didn't break the all-time high level, which was 1367. So that entire phase was like almost 4 years and 3 months that was going on. and Nifty fallen only 40%. So in terms of points, it was like 552 points. Uh, Please don't consider very precise 1 2 points up and down. Just I'm taking as a round figure 550 points the market fall in the entire 4.5 year, and in percentage wise it was 40%. And then December 1998 the market started the bull run. It was almost like February 2020. So here the market rallied almost 841 points, so which is like almost 100% returns it gave. And then bull run was 1 year, 2 months or 3 months. Then again after that the bear market came, and that bear market lasted for almost 3 years, more than 3 years rather, 3.2 years. And here the market fall around 44% from its all-time high. And then after 3.2 years, then there was a bull run came, and that bull run was not in terms of duration, it was a very short duration. It was only for 7 months. But if you see here, the market gave 100% returns from its bottom. So that is the beauty. The market gave 100% return from its bottom. And then again, there was a small bear market came of 4 months, approximately round figure, and here market fall 22%. In 4 months, the market fall 22%. And then there was a mega bull rally came, which was lasted almost like 3.6 years, 3 years, 6 months, 7 months. The bull run was there, and market gave extra uh, high returns, which is almost 311%. So it made bottom of 1493, and then the bull run carried almost 6000, so almost like 4 times from its bottom. Then again the bear market came that lasted 1 year, 2 months approximately, and here market fall 55% correction. This event I definitely know because it was 2008 to 2009. This was, I think, that Lehman Brothers event. I guess that was 2008 was that. And you see that market fall 55% in 1 year and 2 months. And then after that, the market again came into bull market, which lasted for 1 year and 9 months almost, and market gave again 122% returns from its bottom. So that way it is keep on happening. So what I'm trying to show you here, now let's come to the corona time. So corona time was almost 3 months. In 3 months, if you see, market has fallen 30% Nifty. And then from there, 1st of April, if I take, the bull market started like almost 1.6, 1 year, 6 months, and market gave again 100% return. And there was again a short 7 months bear rally, and market fall 11%. And then from July 2022 to almost September 24, so 2 years, 3 months, the duration was almost a big duration, but market returned only 65%. And then recently, like October 24 to Feb 25, so almost 5 months, that rally happened, uh, bear rally happened, and market fall to 14%. And now from March of 2025 till October, or maybe say end of September, where we are seeing a reversal in the market. So till now, if you see, 12% is the return what market has seen. So 25,800 was the 25,823 or 50 was the all-time high it made, and then it went almost 3,700 points down, which is 14%. And then from there, now we are at 24,880, say. so which is 12% up. So what I am trying to show you now here is, let me put a filter here. Yeah. So every time, what is the outcome I'm trying to derive from this data, or what I'm trying to interpret from this data is, whenever there is a fall in the market or the bear market, after that there is a bull market start, and that bull market, if you see, if I take out this one exception which was just for 7 months, after that, if you see, most of the bull markets were more than 1 year. Yeah, so 1 year here, 1 year here, so 1.5 year, uh, and here 1 year 8 months, and here one, two, three times, more than 3 years, and one time 2 years. So what is the outcome I am trying to say here is, now this bull run which we have started from March of 2025 till now, we have completed only 7 months. Yeah, and we have achieved only 12%. So if you see in terms of gains also, whenever the bull market starts, so if I take this, uh, you know, in a average percentage also, like say 1, 2, 3, 4 times, 5 times, it has given more than 100% returns from its bottom. Yeah, whenever the bull market starts, and duration is around, say example, 1 year 6 months, 1 year 7 months, and 1 year 8 months to give the 100% return. Yeah. So see that how many times? One time, two time, three time, four time, and this also I will consider 100% only. So one, two, three, 4, 5, 6 times it has given 100, more than 100% returns from its bottom in the average duration of 1 year 7 months, 1 year 8 months. So if I go with that same logic now here, yeah. So if I want to achieve the 100% from its bottom, so first of all, I have a sufficient time available, because right now I have completed only 7 months, and if I want to achieve that 100% returns in 1 year, 6 months, or 7 months, so I have almost 1 year of that bull run in coming days. See, there might be on a daily basis, on a daily chart, or probably sometimes on a weekly chart also, you might see some, there is a pullback some days or some weeks, the market is coming up, but that will be a very short term one. But if I want to tell you on a broader trend or a broader line, I have a duration of another 1 year to achieve my 100% target. So now how much I have achieved? Only 12%. So still there is a room for me to achieve 80% of my target in the coming year. Yeah. So after that only probability of the bear market is starting. That is what at least this data tells me. It won't happen that bull market starts on a long term basis and 2 3 months and then a very sharp bear market starts. No. If you review this data very carefully, the bear bull market runs at least 1 year plus, and then the bear market starts, and then it goes like 30%, 40%, 20% down, and then market reverses from there. So in this, there may be multiple big events might have happened: elections, wars, um, financial crisis. So all these things is in this data. And we started with the data of 280 points, and now we are at 24,000 point. So you can calculate how many times we have grown in this 35 years. So for me, if from a bottom, if I want to achieve, say, I will not go with 100% return. Say like if I want to go with the same return what it has given in the previous bull market, which is 65%. So 22,000 plus 65%, if I see, that Nifty comes very high, which is almost like 36,500. That is where it is showing as of now. But I think let's be very conservative from here. Say 50%. Yeah. Because if I say it was 94%, then it reduced to 73%, and then it further reduced to 65%. So now I will reduce say 50%. So my bottom formed at 22,153 plus 50%. So still it is coming 33,200. So at least in this bull run, we should see 33,200 plus minus some points up and down. I am not giving you the exact figure. I am just trying to make my view for the coming days. Whether I should be in stress, whether I should panic, whether I should take out my entire investment. For that purpose, I want to make my view. So for that reason, I am saying at this moment, I am not seeing near term there is any big sharp uh, bear market is coming. At least as far as this data is concerned, provided there is not something very unforeseen situation comes, and like example the COVID. Yeah, COVID was like completely unforeseen situation. Until unless there is no such unforeseen situation is coming in the market, I think we will continue this bull market for at least another few months, and we might see some good bull rally in coming months. Because see, all these big economical reforms which government has done, the tax rate cut, GST reform, all our micros. If you see, I really don't think so. Uh, Market has really given that rally considering those markets as of now, because market is still in a very uncertain situation because of the external factors, the tariff, geopolitical situation. There are so many big issues which are going out of India. So because of that uncertainty, I think market is just in a wait and watch mode right now. So just assume when FIs will start buying, what will be this bull rally will see. Yeah. So again, guys, I am not really a very highly qualified economist, or I am not a SEBI registered disclaimer. So please don't use this data points for buying or selling of any assets or any stocks. This is just for an educational purpose and to make your view in the market. So I hope this information will help you, and it will clear your mind from all these ambiguities. So stay safe and have a safe investment. Thank you, friends. Good night.